what it do, guys? We are back for another construction update here at Toy Story Parking. And this time we got special guests, Marianne and Dee. They came to tell us their thoughts about the construction going on here at Toy Story. And what do you see, Dee? Anything new?
Well, not really. Looks the same. The fence is just about done. All of them are wrapped, all of the awnings. You know, there's still that beige pole color. I don't know if they're going to stay that color.
Oh, you have to paint them
green.
Oh, that's true.
They have more little fence work down on the far side, you know, where the buses are going to
Oh, yeah. That's for us to stay within, so you don't get run over by a bus. But Marianne did have some questions. How is this going to work?
Yeah, I'm totally confused. Well, it's a large roundabout, so I'm guessing the buses are going to roll in here and drop off in Lotus. I don't know if they're going to keep this backside open.
Oh, I know. I seen they already got rid of the tree over there.
They got rid of the trees and the planter island in the middle.
They're calling you, Dee.
Yes.
I'm on break.
They recognize you from work.
She doesn't have a chair with her. She's not on break. Call her. Then they have the sign away over there that says Bullseye Parking.
Oh, the directory's covered now.
Oh, because they're going to paint it probably. Where is it?
Because people like us already give them the news.
Uh-oh.
There has been no announcement
YouTubers,
about
darn
this.
midlifers.
That was the midlifers and the flatlanders.
And we noticed on that side, there's like 2 whole long rows with all the electrical charging areas. And they already have all the signs, shuttle bus this way, pointing this way, on the poles over there on that side.
Yeah, that's going to be our new parking area. Horsey parking.
Yeah, and we're going to have our own security.
Right through there.
So I don't know if you noticed, they're building a fence over there.
Yeah.
In the middle. So when we get dropped off, there's a fence dividing us and we just walk onto the resort. And they're keeping the fence up so when the people come in from the harbor side, they stop and just security with us.
Yeah, that's the cool part.
They're only going to have this opening now in the mornings and when it's really busy.
Just your busy times.
So if you come in the afternoon, it might be done for the day, so then you have to go through the harbor side. So it just probably depends on how busy it is.
Can't wait for this to open though.
Yeah, so now if you're with it, you're really going to feel it.
Oh, you gotta park at Marriott or Hilton.
You think, what, a week left?
Well, we might as well practice. Let's walk in there and then just walk way over there where we gotta walk.
Let's get the mileage going, see how far it is from way to over there. Who's excited for this? I can't wait to get in here.
I am. Where's the bathroom?
Oh, way over
I think
there.
it's that building, the white and green building over there. That's the only one they picked up because the other one they knocked down already.
There you go, there's the building. For sure that's the
I'm
bathrooms.
assuming because they're not building any other building. Yeah. That would have been built by now.
For sure that's the bathrooms. Well, can't wait to get in here. Can't wait to live stream like one said. From the security line.
Yeah. Hey you.
Hey you, put that away, kid.
Can't catch me.
You're never gonna catch me. You're wasting your time. Forget about it. Go do something else. See you next year.
But from Dee and me, and KIDULT TV, and Marianne, and Juando, say bye everybody. Bye. Bye guys. We'll see you on the next construction update.